Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with a Fenix HP16R outdoor headlamp. Bit of a different design this one, and can run off a few different batteries. So before we get into it, I'll just let you know what you get in the pack. First of all, you get your HP16R. Comes with a rechargeable battery here at the back here. But before I get into that, you get your warranty card, Fenix warranty card. They do a great warranty. You get your user manual. Here, there's a lot going on with this light, so yeah, it's definitely worth a read into all the different modes and everything like that. You also get a little carry bag as well, nice mesh carry bag, which I haven't really seen before on a headlamp. So it's nice to know they do that, because it is sort of a outdoor headlamp. So if you were going hiking or something like that, it's definitely worth having that mesh bag. They also give you some helmet clips and sort of cable clips as well to attach to a helmet or anything like that, and to run your clip sort of back to the battery pack. It is rechargeable. It does come with a rechargeable 3000 milliamp battery, and that is recharged through a USB-C cable, which they do supply. And yet they give you a spare O-ring too, which is great. Getting onto the light though, it does look kind of big and bulky sort of design, I suppose. Does have 3 emitters here. One is a spotlight with a smooth reflector that does have a nice deep set LED in there. It's got a maximum of 1250 lumens coming out of there. This one here is a floodlight, so it is nice and diffused. So having them both on is actually a really nice beam pattern, but just having the floodlight on is more than enough light to sort of see your everyday tasks and working with. So yeah, it does create a really nice spread. Not much throw to it at all, but the spread on it is super even and really well diffused. Another LED on there is a red light. Again, not super bright, but for close-up things and just probably looking at your feet and everywhere around there. Probably doesn't show too well on camera, but it actually is bright enough to sort of walk around with at night. So yeah, anything sort of close contact with that red that you want to use to preserve your night vision, yeah, it's definitely worth keeping on. But the spot function on here and the spotlight, I suppose, sort of function is really, really nice to use. It just goes on by the 2 buttons here at the top here. So your one on the sort of right hand side is going to be your spotlight, and then your one on the left here is going to be your floodlight and your red. So it just cycles through once you've sort of got it on. Super easy to use. And then when it's upright, the clip sort of goes over the buttons. So yeah, can't really be pressed if it's in that mesh bag that they give you, which is yeah, kind of cool. I mean, if they're sort of if it's going to be an outdoor headlamp, you kind of know it's going to be in a bag or a pack or something like that, or just rolling around in a drawer. It's nice to know you can keep everything together with your charging cable and things like that. It is a cool design that I've sort of gone with here. So like I said, they do give you a 3000 milliamp battery, nice flat battery, fully rechargeable. Can also run on 4 AA batteries. If you're away from power or things like that, or traveling, you're not going to be left without a headlamp. It's still usable, yeah, which is a nice feature. It does lock in quite tightly here with this clip on it. So it does have the IP66 waterproof rating, which is fully submersible, 2 meters underwater. It's also got 2 meters impact resistant, which is great. The headlamp on it is awesome. They've got sort of a gel insert here, so you know it's not going to slide around or anything, and it is quite comfortable on the head. You know, it's not going to sort of slip around too much. I'll put it on. So yeah, as you can see, that battery pack sits quite nicely on the head. It's quite light, being only 3000 milliamps. You do get some good run times out of it, and it's not too uncomfortable to wear for long periods of time, being so light. Outputs and run times though. Turbo mode on that spot mode is 1250 lumens, and you're going to get about 4 hours run time on that. So that's a great run time for such a compact battery. It's running on an SST40 chip, so nice output, really good throwing chip. And yeah, good even pattern with that. Stepping down to on the spotlight mode to a high of 400 lumens. Again, that's a great light. Being such a deep set LED, you do get some really nice throw out of that. Then you go down to a medium mode of 150 lumens. and then it drops down to a low mode of 50 lumens, which is definitely easy enough to walk around with on those low modes with the deep set LED. Flood mode, you're looking at 400 lumens max output on the flood setting. Now that's going to last you 8 hours. Really nice working light. So just being able to walk around with that, you're going to have no dramas at all. Medium mode with the flood setting is 150 lumens. That's great for sort of in close, uptight sort of things that you want a lot of light in, but you don't want to be blinding yourself with any reflections back. Then you got your low mode of 5 lumens, which is your really close things. Sort of at night, you want to read something that's close up, but you don't want to ruin that night vision that you might have. That's a great setting as well. And then you got your red light, like I said, they are quite low. You've got your 5 lumens on the red, so not bright, but you can definitely read things sort of close enough to you for sure, or sort of anything in close proximity. But overall, I mean, it's a great headlamp. There's a long enough lead on here, so you can take it all off and put it on a helmet or something like that, and not worry about sort of pulling too much tension on that cable. Fully adjustable, about 60 degrees. Great headlamp if you are inclined to not run rechargeables all the time and you want something with that doubles as a rechargeable headlamp, but also the option to run those AA's in. So definitely worth checking out the HP16R from Fenix. Brand new light. They've got a few new headlamps in the market at the moment, so we'll drop a link to this one and you can see the full Fenix range from there. They do really make some high quality products. Don't see many of them come back, so if you've got a Fenix, you're going to have it for a very long time. Thanks for watching this one on the HP16R. Please feel free to like, subscribe. Got new content coming out all the time, so hit that bell button, keep yourself up to date. Leave a comment below if you're interested in seeing a video or review on something we may not have done yet, and we'll do our best to sort of get that out to you. Got new content coming out every week, so like I said, hit that subscribe button, keep yourself up to date, and we'll catch you on the next one.